Hi, it's Jana Eubank with Simple Stories, and we're here at Creativation in Phoenix, Arizona. And I can't wait to share with you the Hip Hop Hooray Collection. This is our beautiful Easter and Spring collection, and it's got both so you can use for both occasions. I love the happy colors. Check out that bright pink, the bright yellows, and of course that beautiful spring green. Let's take a look at the embellishments first. You can see we've got these brand new brads, all different sizes for different projects that you can add as accents, and then we have these little fun die cut shapes included as well. Don't forget to check out the enamel dots. We all love our enamel dots, right? And we have these fun coordinating colors. There's 3 rolls of washi tape. You can see you have the Easter eggs, this fun multicolored plaid, and this beautiful floral. We have our bits and pieces packs. This one has lots of florals and fun phrases. You got the bikes, the kites, the clouds, a little sunshine. That's what we look forward to in spring, right? Here's our journal bits and pieces. Cute little wreath and all the fun shapes that go along with that. Cute phrases on colors, backgrounds. There's a set of acrylic stamps for this collection. And there's a set of coordinating dies to help you cut out those shapes easily. If you love working with stencils, we also have this darling butterfly stencil. There's a coordinating 6x8 paper pad that has all of the patterns in a smaller scale, great for card makers or your 6x8 albums. Of course, our new Color Vibe foam alpha stickers, aren't these beautiful? Look how darling the robin's egg and the yellow look with these happy spring colors. I love our chipboard pieces. This is my very favorite design in this collection, is this adorable bunny. I love the kite. Look at the little welly boot. You got the wagon, and I love the big titles for your cards and for your layouts. Let's take a closer look at all of the pattern papers. This first one has these fun flowers all in their colorful flower pots. And on the other side, we have this teal tone-on-tone flower pattern. Next up is another beautiful floral. This time it's on a larger scale print. And then on the other side of that paper, you've got this happy yellow gingham check. Check out this fun large confetti dot with the little dots dancing around inside. The other side of this paper is a great neutral paper with this pink tone-on-tone dot. I love polka dots, especially in spring. It just seems like they belong on the Easter eggs, and here they are on the papers too. You got the aqua dot on this side and then multicolored plaid on the front. Here we have an Easter egg paper on this aqua background and this spring green gingham check on the other side. Now this is my favorite paper in this collection. I don't know if you can look in a little close, but on this adorable pink, we've got the florals and then the little bunny faces hopping around. On the back side of that paper is this wood green. Next up is the 4x6 element cards. There again is my favorite bunny. Bunny kisses and Easter wishes. And you even have a journal spot. I love that there's vertical cards as well as horizontal. So nice and vertical for whatever project you're working, or nice and versatile for whatever project you're working on. And then the yellow tone-on-tone dots. The 4x4 cards are another favorite. You can pop these in on your projects, use them on greeting cards, and look at this fun multicolored stripe that's on the other side. Here we have the 3x4 cards. Again, that bunny, she's got a wreath in her hair this time. The Peeps, and then a smaller pink gingham check. Our 2x2 elements have lots of fun phrases. These would be great on Easter treats, like maybe make little tags to go on those treats that you tuck in the Easter baskets. And then here we have a spring green polka dot. Another fun floral. Isn't that one of our favorite things about spring, is when the flowers start coming out? So that's so cute. On the other side, we have this really adorable plaid with the aqua blue and a little line of orange running through. Here's the paper, all these cute happy clouds dancing around the sky. Then I love the polka dot on the other side. It's got little sketchy hand-drawn dots, really fun and sweet. Finally, we'll just take a look at the combo sticker sheet. You've got the boy bunny, the girl bunny, lots of little chicks and bees and flowers. Just a really fun set to use this spring and this Easter. So again, this is the Hip Hop Hooray Collection from Simple Stories.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to Scrap Time videos for all the Creativation 2020 coverage.